My name is Ofelia Gomez. I'm the director of the College Assistance Migrant Program. The Migrant Program is a federally funded program funded through the Office of Migrant Education out of the United States Department of Education. The CAMP program is designed to help first-time freshmen who come from seasonal migrant farm working backgrounds go to college. The California Leadership Conference is a conference that is hosted every year. It is hosted by a CAMP program in California, and so it moves around every year. And so this year it is our turn here at Fresno State. We're hosting about 123 students from 13 CAMP programs across California and 2 from Arizona. The conference is designed to help students further develop their leadership, communication, team building skills, to help them become advocates not only for themselves, but for back at their community and their campus, and to help them envision themselves completing their higher education degree, finding mentors that will help them to get to the career that they've always wanted to have. And once they get to their careers, to always learn to give back. I met Dr. Hernandez 7 years ago as he was starting to develop the Rise to It company. And I'm just so proud to have been the start of that part of his career and to now see it expand. Putting together this type of conference takes a lot of planning, a lot of work. And when I learned that he was already in the Rise to It Incorporated and he was already doing a lot of work, I said, oh, let's team up and let's do this, bring him back to now share his expanded skills and provide this motivational opportunity for our students to continue to be engaged, experience a lot of learning through the motivation that he provided, his team, and then all the speakers that he was able to put together and get them to commit to coming and presenting to our students. So it's been great working with him. It just made the conference that much more valuable for our students. So as Dr. Hernandez Rise to It Production says, if you can rise to it, you can rise through it.
When your back's up against the wall, just know you got a place to stay. I know sometimes it gets hard, but all you gotta have is faith. If you can rise to it, you can rise through it. If you can rise to it, you can rise through it. Yeah, keep fighting, you gotta believe it. Go hard, the haters they gon' see it. 'Cause it's you, the one who had to see it all fall down. Sometimes the road can be so lonely. Your close friends be the one who acting phony. Success, the best revenge. Look who's laughing now. Think twice 'cause your life is not a game. Through the struggle, find the joy with the pain. Either way, gotta make your own lane, or it can drive you crazy.